Hello dear students, hope you are doing good. Welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisla. In this video of quadrilaterals, we shall be taking two questions based on parallelogram. These are the two questions which we are going to study in this video. In the first question, we are given the parallelogram whose diagonals intersect each other at right angles. And we know in a parallelogram, if the diagonals are intersecting each other at right angles, it's a rhombus. And the length of the diagonals is also unequal. One is 6 centimeter, other is 8 centimeter. And we have to find the length of the sides of the parallelogram. Now, when the diagonals intersect each other at right angles in a rhombus, it forms four right angle triangles. And we shall apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the sides, where the side will serve as a hypotenuse. In question number 2, we are given the ratio of adjacent sides of a parallelogram, that is 3:4, and one of its angles is right angle. And we know that in a parallelogram, if one of the angles is a right angle, it's a rectangle. And here also we have to find the length of the sides of the parallelogram. Now, since the adjacent sides are perpendicular to each other, the diagonal serves as a hypotenuse. So over here, the diagonal is dividing the parallelogram into two right angle triangle, and diagonal itself is the hypotenuse. So this is the difference between question 1 and question 2. In question 1, because it's a rhombus and diagonals are intersecting at right angles, so the side is the hypotenuse. Whereas in question number 2, the adjacent sides are perpendicular to each other and the diagonal serves as a hypotenuse, because the hypotenuse is the longest side and it is opposite to the right angle. Along with the length of the sides of parallelogram, we have to also find the perimeter of the parallelogram in question number 2. Otherwise, in the first question also we have to find the length of all the sides, and in the second question also we have to find the length of the sides of the parallelogram, and we shall be using Pythagoras theorem in both the questions. Now let us start with the first question. So the first question is, ABCD is a parallelogram whose diagonals intersect each other at right angles. If the length of the diagonals is 6 cm and 8 cm, find the length of all the sides of the parallelogram. So given to us in this question is ABCD is a parallelogram where AC the diagonal is 8 cm and BD the diagonal is 6 cm, and they are both intersecting each other at right angles, and we have to find the sides of the parallelogram. Now let's start with the solution. Let the diagonals bisect each other at O to form the four right angle triangles. Now further, AO is equal to CO, which is half of AC, that is we can say 8 by 2 is equal to 4 centimeter, and BO is equal to DO, that is half of BD, that is 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. As the diagonals are bisecting each other, so we can say that AO is equal to CO, which is half of AC, and BO is equal to DO, that is half of BD. So that is how we have calculated AO and CO and BO and DO. Now further, let us take any one of the right angle triangle, let us say AOD, and we shall apply the Pythagoras theorem, which says that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now in the right angle triangle AOD, AD is the hypotenuse, that is the side which we have to calculate. So we shall write AO square plus OD square is equal to AD square. Further, AO is 4 centimeter, OD is 3 centimeter. So accordingly, we shall write 4 square plus 3 square is equal to AD square. Further, 16 plus 9 is equal to AD square. So 25 is equal to AD square. Further, AD is root of 25, which is equal to 5. So AD has come 5 centimeter. And similarly, we can find the rest of the sides BC, CD and AB, and we will find that all are coming equal to 5 centimeter. And in a parallelogram, when all the sides are equal and also the diagonals are intersecting at right angles, so it's clearly a rhombus. Now let's take up question number 2. One pair of adjacent sides of a parallelogram is in the ratio of 3:4. If one of its angles, angle A, is a right angle and diagonal BD is equal to 10 centimeter, find the length of the sides of the parallelogram and also perimeter of the parallelogram. So given to us ABCD is a parallelogram in which two adjacent sides, let us assume AD is to AB, is equal to 3:4. And angle A is 90 degree and diagonal BD is 10 centimeter. And we know in a parallelogram, if any one of the angle is a right angle, it is a rectangle. So as you can see in the figure, it is a rectangle shape. So we have to find over here the length of all the sides and also the perimeter of this rectangle. Now let's start with the solution. Since angle A is 90 degree, we can say triangle DAB is a right angle triangle. So basically the diagonal is dividing the rectangle into two right angle triangle. So now in right angle triangle DAB, we can use the Pythagoras theorem, that is perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now over here the hypotenuse is the diagonal, that is the BD. So we can write AD square plus AB square is equal to BD square. Further AD is 3x and AB is 4x. So we can write 3x whole square plus 4x whole square is equal to 10 square. Now further 9x square plus 16x square is equal to 100. 9 plus 16 is 25, so 25x square is equal to 100. Further x square is equal to 100 upon 25, that is 4. So x is equal to root of 4, that is 2. Now we can say AD is equal to BC is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6 centimeter, and AB is equal to CD, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is how we have calculated the length of all the sides of the parallelogram. Now let us find the perimeter of the parallelogram by using the formula twice of length plus breadth, as the opposite sides are equal. So we can write twice of 6 plus 8 is equal to 2 times of 14, which is equal to 28 centimeter. So perimeter of this rectangle is 28 centimeter. So this is it. Hope you have understood both these questions. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.